Good morning, dear students. In English, today we will learn about countable and uncountable nouns. As it is clear by the name, countable means that things that we can count. So, things I can count, like 3 oranges, 2 oranges, we can count 3 oranges, we can count 2 oranges, we can count 50 oranges as well, right? So, countable nouns in singular, we put a plus noun, one plus noun. For example, a dog, one dog, a bat, one bat, a girl, one girl. And when we talk about plural, what we do? We put noun plus s. For example, girls, boys, mangoes, bats, right? Oranges. For example, a potato, and here potatoes. Clear? Now what is uncountable? Uncountable nouns means things that I cannot count. Can you count the rice? No. Noun, we love to read. What is noun? We love to read books. What is noun here? So the noun is books, right? So can you count books? Is it countable or uncountable? Yes, we can count books. So it is, books are countable nouns. Now please pass the salt. What is noun here? So noun is salt. But now the question is, can we count salt? So the salt is countable or uncountable? No, we cannot count salt. So it is uncountable, right? Now there is next sentence, we need some chairs. So what is noun in this sentence? In this sentence, the noun is chairs. And now the question is, chairs are countable or uncountable? Can you count chairs? Yes, we can count chairs. So these are countable. There is a mango. I have an egg. So a and n means we are talking about singular countable nouns. There are some apples. I have some eggs. Means we are talking about plural countable nouns. There is some sugar. He has some bread. So sugar. Can you count sugar? Can you count bread? No, we cannot count sugar. We cannot count bread. We can count the packet of sugars. We can count the kgs of sugars. We can count the pieces of bread. We can count the loaves of bread, but we cannot count sugar. We cannot count bread. So these some sugar and bread are uncountable nouns. Here is one sentence. There is dash banana in the recipe. There is some banana in the recipe, or a banana, or n. There is a banana because only banana is written, right? So we cannot put some, we cannot put n because we put n before vowels, and here is banana, so a banana. So singular countable noun. Next is, there is dash ice cream in the fridge. As you can see, there is some ice cream in the fridge. Some ice cream, uncountable noun. I need dash water to wash my hands. I need some water to wash my hands, and water is uncountable noun. Next is, I would like some juice. Can you count juice? No, we cannot count juice. We can count the glasses of juice. We can count the jars of juice. So juice is uncountable because we are not having the specific quantity here. So I would like a glass of juice, that is countable, right? Because we have specified quantity, a glass of juice. Some means we are not talking about specific quantity, right? So the next is some affirmative sentences. There is some money. And negative, how we will, negative and interrogative, how we will make, is there any money? No, there is not. So I think this is clear to you. What are countable and uncountable? Now come to this, how much or how many. When we talk about how much, means we are talking about uncountable, and when we talk about how many, means we are talking about countable. How much? Uncountables. How many? Countables. How many or how much? How much cars are there or how many cars? Can you count the cars? Yes, we can count the cars. So it will be how many cars are there. Right? Next is there are 6 cars. Yes, we can count. How much or how many sugar is there? So we cannot count sugar. So it will how much sugar is there. Right? So how much sugar is there? There are 3 spoons of sugar. Now 3 spoons of sugar we can count. How much or how many pictures are there? So how many? Because pictures we can count. So there are 6 pictures. How much or how many milk is there? How much milk is there? Because we cannot count milk. We can count the bottle of milk. So there are 2 boxes of milk. So this will be clear to you when you will do more book exercises, right? So this was countable and uncountable nouns. Thank you class. Bye and take care.